I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. Tube Mastery and Monetization teaches how to start, grow, and monetize a hyper-profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. It doesn't matter if you don't have any tech skills or any previous business experience. Everything you need to know is provided step by step in this training program. See what existing TMM member have to say.
Hello guys, my name is Carlos Catari. I'm from Venezuela, living in Canada. I bought course Tube Mastery and Monetization, and honestly, it's the best investment I have done in courses in my life. I have invested in many areas, in many trainings, and this is by far the most amazing, detailed, step-by-step what to do course that I have ever taken. I honestly tell you, it should be more expensive. It's a bargain. Everything matches with us. Is just what you need to know for this new business that we want to make. And because honestly, that's the way he see his channels. He sees them as businesses. So don't hesitate to take it. It's the best investment you're gonna make. It's the first time I let somebody who is 19 years old to teach me when I am 36 years old. It's the first time I let somebody younger than me to teach me, but his experience, his expertise, his results give him the authority to teach, and the way he does it is just amazing. So don't hesitate, just take it, and you're gonna be in the best path to your success. Bye bye.
When you join Tube Mastery and Monetization, you get full and immediate access to overview of the blueprint, overview of choosing a niche, secret keyword process, how to systematize your videos, how to truly go viral on YouTube, way of making money on YouTube, making a video creation assembly line. Here's a summary of everything you get. This is not your typical course. They provide you with everything you need to be successful. The complete Tube Mastery and Monetization program. So you can start a profitable YouTube channel, and have all the necessary skills needed to start with the right niche and then take that channel to the next level. Instant access to the Tube Mastery Mastermind group. So you can strategize and get help from previous students, and help from Matt Parr himself. There have more student reviews. So, why are you waiting? For more information and to purchase your product, please click on link in description.